Box number 5. Box number 5. $50. With you, Jet. You need to see something sick. Nothing yet. Nothing's popped up for the Royals, man. A couple base Ventura is all I've seen. I'm seeing some decent color out of this one. Seeing some decent color. Of course, Cool Steve. You want your Puigs, I was going to send those to you anyways, whether you told me to or not. I'll do this real quick. Mod. And then... let me just make sure I write that down, bud. Except Puig. Alright. Here we go, guys. Box number 5. Russell, Ward, Mikel Franco, patch for the Phillies. Oh, jeez. Mikel Franco. Number 54 out of 99. Phillies. For the Phillies. Who are the Phillies? Jay Woods. Hoig, Cisco, Hawkins, Renfroe, Crawford, Nolan Reno, again, refractor. Yeah, those patches you only see, I think you only put one per case. One per case for those patches. Harris, Rodriguez, Nicely, Sanchez, Harvey, Green, breakouts. Jake Lamb for the Diamondbacks base. Lindor, Seager, Wilson, Westmoreland, Wong, Murphy. Oh, and our hit to the Colorado Rockies, refractor of Ryan McMahon for the Rockies. Where's the Rockies? Nico, refractor. That's pretty nice. Yeah, Kay and Ellie, I'll get these out to you. Like I said, I'm going to try and get it all packaged up. Ooh. Yeah, I'll be on Wednesday, man. Congrats, Nico. That's nice. That is nice. Yeah, Wednesday or Thursday for Exquisite, buddy. Hadley, Harper, Lorenzen, Miguel, Bradley Jr., Max Fried for the Padres refractor. Scooter Gennett, Wheeler, Carnes, Akia, Christensen, Williams, Biddle, Xander Bogaerts, blue paper. Xander Bogaerts, blue paper, out of 500. B.L. Jones. Nice. I'm loading that right now. Congrats, Bogaerts. Nice to pull that. Manwig, Fleely, Machado, Bumgardner, Williams, Castellanos, Singleton, For the Mets, Luis Gilmore out of 50. Nice. For the Mets, we're 23 out of 50. 23 out of 50. For the Mets. For the Mets. Johnny 5. What's wrong, Bill Jones? Johnny 5. I don't know if you saw that. Luis Gilmore, whatever, out of 50. Chrome. Nice. No auto, but 23 out of 50. Still good color, man. That's good color. Combs, we know Gibson, Anderson, Gonzalez, Unroe, refractor of Chris Anderson for the Dodgers. Refractor, Chris Anderson for the Dodgers. This one's turning out pretty good. Coleman, Blanton, Dickerson, Demeritte, Stankiewicz, Jorge Polanco for the Twins, base. Springer, Williams, Clint Frazier, base, chrome. Buxton, wow, back-to-back nice chromes. Rendon, Church, Steven Gonsalves for the Twins. Yeah, I'm going to give you the refractors. 174 to 500. I'm going to give you the refractors. Those are all refractors, parallels, numbered, or anything like that. I'm going to send out regardless. Unless you specifically tell me you want nothing. But yeah, I'm going to send those out. Bradley, Vogelbach, DJ Peterson, Max Fried, Adreno, Profar, Teddy Stankiewicz, refractor, Sears, Irvin, Wood, Meyer, Austin, Syndergaard, Hagen, Miller, Barnes, Avila, Azuna, base. Stanky leg. You did a stanky leg. That's stupid. This hasn't been a bad box. Refractor, good colors. I had a Bogarts color and I had a 50 chrome color for the first half of it. Let's get something monstrous here. This thing is overflowing with packs. It's going to take me forever to clean this all up. Ott, base, Meisner, Wendell, base, Travis Demeritte, refractor, chrome, Castano, White, Oliver, Gordon, Fernandez, Stifler, Chris Bryant, and Colin Moran, base, dual, Maffei, Perez, Kabuza, Grossier, Peterson, Carnes, White Ice, of Reed Harper for the Braves. That's not too bad. Reed Harper for the Braves. White Ice. Gibson, Bumgarner, Nottingham, Austin, Ventura, base. Andrew Church, refractor for the Mets. Meyer, Buxton, base. Dickerson, Bogarts, base. Will Myers, Sufil Murphy, future of the franchise, Mike Trout. Not numbered. Future of the franchise, Mike Trout, mini. Ott, Afnir, Gossman, Afnir, Clarkin, Anderson, Austin Meadows, base, Gossman, Almonte, base. Solar, Amora, Wong, Skaggs. Profar for the Rangers, refractor. Christensen, Westmoreland, Peterson, Odom, base. Albert, base, Sanchez, Cossart, Cole, Wilson, Gray, Jonathan Gray, base, and Sonny Gray, base. Keebler, Blair, For the Braves, orange, paper, Alex Wood. Alex Wood, number 150 out of 250. For the Braves. Nice. Garcia, Gordon, Miller, Salazar, Crawford, McGuire, bases. Anthony Rendon, refractor. Salazar, Gray, Myers, Gilmore, Webster, Wade. Excuse me, Sandberg, Odom, Bellamy, Salazar, Nolan, Greco. Cool. Phil Rizzuto for the Yankees. Scooter. Nice. I like those. Sanchez, Hawkins, Russell, and Josh Hart, base. Ryan McMahon. Refractor for the Rockies. That's pretty good. McMahon. Wasn't he a wrestler? Jake or something like that? No, I should have. I'll get those off. Whew. Last box.